Hello, Amy here, back with another video. It's a nice Saturday afternoon here in Texas. I decided to make some pasta salad. I use these boxes of suddenly pasta. I boil it with salt and water, of course, and after that I drain the water and I put it in this pot. Now I chop some hard-boiled eggs, about 4 hard-boiled eggs. I use 3 boxes of suddenly salad pasta, and I had some leftover sausages from breakfast. I chop that up and throw that in. I have the vegetables, which is onions, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers. Chop them off and throw them in. And now I give it a good stir, make sure all the vegetables and the egg and the sausage is mixed well. Now I'm adding some spices to make it tasty. This is ground black pepper, and I added some onion powder. If you have garlic powder, you can add that as well, but I didn't have any. So creole seasoning, I put it in everything that I cook, but you don't have to use that. You can use any seasoning of your taste bud, of your liking. I added some paprika. Now for the real major ingredient, you can't really make it without it, is mayo. I use real mayo, but if you want to make it a vegan dish, you can use vegan mayo. Of course, you will have to leave the eggs and the sausage out. So now I decided to put some more mayo because I feel like I needed a little bit more. But you can also use some olive oil, but I decided to use grapeseed oil, but olive oil, it's okay with olive oil as well. I used that in the past. And I make sure I give it a good stir. And at this point, it's about tasting it, right? Does it have enough seasoning? Does it need a little bit of black pepper? Does it need a little bit of salt? Does it need a little bit of mayo? You just do it to your liking. To me, everything I added here it tastes good, the right consistency. I just keep on stirring it, make sure that all the mayo is well mixed. Now I'm showing you how it looks. Now it's ready, and I'm pouring it in a serving dish. I just added a little bit of black pepper on top, and a little bit of paprika to give it a nice color. Enjoy. Please try my recipe. Let me know how you like it. Subscribe.